Dear students, in this video I explain the fifth characteristic property of liquids. Liquids can be compressed to a small extent. Okay, see this image. This is a milk sachet, 450 ml toned milk packet. Okay, can you press it? Try at your house easily. The milk sachet can be compressed to some extent. Hence, we can say the liquids can be compressed to a small extent. Dear students, in the coming video, I explain the sixth characteristic property of liquids. Liquids can flow using this example. And for all chemistry class 6 IIT Foundation videos, please click the playlist link which is given in the description part of this video.